If I want to be clear when teaching to a jury about a subject I understand deeply, is there a good way to determine the best way to connect the overarching theory I'm trying to frame the information I'm sorry, connect the overarching theory I'm using to frame the information I'm providing with their narrative? Is there a way to tell what would resonate best with most members of the jury? And would the attorney be able to assist with determining the best framework prior to testimony?
Yes. So there are a couple things. Strangely enough, don't all get mad at me. Okay, don't get mad. Actually, talking about your theory with someone who is not an attorney is not a bad idea. So having that conversation with people, this is the analysis, these are my conclusions, these are the facts that we're sealing and important, these are the weaknesses in my analysis, and having that conversation before you ever try to stand up and testify about it really does help you ground it in terms that normal people can understand. Also, the attorney probably has a theme for their case, probably has absolutely the way, I mean, greed kills, profits over people, like people always like their little catchphrases and they tend to weave those things throughout. Having that conversation with counsel so you understand theoretically what's happening. Now, I will tell you, there is a danger in that. And the danger is if you seem to harmonize too much with the attorney's themes of the case, then you will be seen as a team on the team. You will be seen as an adversary just like they are. So unfortunately, there is a balance you have to strike between understanding the theory of the case and not buying into it so much that makes you look like you're partnering with the attorney. You don't want that. You don't want to go too far.
In terms of practicing with laypersons, as you recommend, is that something that needs to be done with an attorney present? Is that discoverable? Or other issues with that?
Yeah. So some of that is the interesting things is, the discovery rules with regard to testifying experts do allow, and also you'll be asked about it in your deposition testimony. We didn't cover deposition today. This is really more about trial testimony, but you can be asked about a lot of that stuff in your, you don't want to be doing it early in your thing, but preparing for trial is a perfectly common thing. I would do it with the attorney present.
Sure.